Meaning of experimentation.
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 Experimentation. Experimentation refers to the process of testing a hypothesis or idea in order to gain new insights and knowledge. It involves careful planning, implementation, and analysis of various experiments, often with the aim of discovering new phenomena or validating existing theories. The result of experimentation can be highly varied depending on the specific field of study and the question being explored. It may include the discovery of new scientific principles, the optimization of engineering processes, or the development of new technologies or products. Ultimately, experimentation is a critical tool for advancing our understanding of the world around us and solving complex problems.